Good morning from Almond Beach Resort in Surigao City. Morning breakfast. Wala pa maritilan. Okay, kanin siya. Kape o hotdog. Ooh. This one, pork casino. Oh, smells good. Chicken longganisa. Bangos ala pobre. Napo dahil sa aladato. Garlic fried rice. Steamed white rice. Okay. Naasla dried fish.
Dili tatay mo try.
Super tapos.
Kaya nila
Naapos sila Western breakfast. Pancake and waffle. Oh. Ready to for mag-order. Lugaw. Hello. Muna yung ilahang bread station. Oh, bunga. Like banana bread. Okay, ayan. Coffee. Alright. Good morning, sir. Video kintahay ta, murag korek. Ato ta sa pool, padulong guys. Mag-swimming man mion niya. We're gonna go swimming after. To burn calories. I think I gained 5,000 calories. Lami man ilang breakfast. Very good. Padulong sa amo ang hotel room dito dapit 309 murag third floor siya. Nindot na slide. That I wanted po. And dito lalom na gamay. Pang adult. Mag-swimming miyon niya. Yahoo. Pwede pod mangaon diri nindot siya. Almond Beach Resort, Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Yahoo! Ay, saan mo na siya nga barko? Ano na mga barko di ka I have no idea. Those are for, di man siya pang pasaheroan, not for passengers. Alright. That's it for now. From Philippines. Yahoo!